Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joaquin. I'm here about to make a little bit of lunch for me and my wife. Is a dish called Carne Frita. I'm gonna be it's gonna be pork fried and sauteed. I'm about to show you guys the ingredients. So the ingredients we're gonna use are, as you can see, peppers, different color peppers, and onions. I like all the other colors and the flavors also. We're gonna use this sauce that I actually made. It's very tasty. It's awesome for your palate. It makes everything pop. And this is the meat that we're gonna use: pork shoulder. Cut it into cubes, whatever size you prefer. And I'm also going to use some of this drinking wine, apathic. It's very tasty and it's very good to drink or cook with. And Crisco pure vegetable olive oil. It's just to cook it all together. First, we're going to drop the meat into the frying pan once the oil is hot. Try not to get too close. Don't throw it all at once. Get it in there. What we're going to do right now is we're trying to seal the meat. Not completely cook it, just seal it, so that later on you can finish cooking it in the sauteed pan. Alright. Well, that's going. Alright, smells delicious. Try to get all that in there. And there we go. See you in a minute. So now what I'm doing is turning them over. Because all you really want to do is brown them up a little bit on each side. Make sure you don't overcook them, because if you overcook the meat, it tends to dry. So keep flipping them over. Just want to get them a little brown, Look at that, beautiful. It's a funny thing. I used to work in a restaurant, and the restaurant owner was kind of feeding everybody the same thing over and over. So he had a few things in the store and in the restaurant, and I decided to put a few things together and see if they liked it, and I let him taste it first. He liked it, so we put it on the menu on a normal basis, and it sold pretty well. And this is one of the things that I actually made. It was really good. A lot of people enjoyed it. And that's what we want. So I basically made an old dish, and I created it. I gave it a new look, I guess, a new facelift, new life. Okay. I'm sorry you can't see everything at the same time because I'm actually recording as I cook. That's looking really good. So now you start taking out the chunks you think that are pretty much done. Nice and brown. Take them out. Put them aside, let them rest a little bit. Like I said, you're gonna have this dish in thousands of places in Puerto Rico. But trust me, none like mine. It's just a different twist on it. The flavors are very I mean, the best I can describe is that it actually tickles your palate. When you taste it, it's something incredible. It's like a party in your mouth. It's pretty cool. The day I came up with it, I was so proud of myself. The manager, the store manager, the restaurant manager was very happy because he knew he was going to make a lot of money with it. Pretty cool. This is one of my babies right here. So, as you can see, we browned them and we sealed them all up. Right, so phase 2 coming up. So I just bought this wok. I've been dying to get one. I've been dying to find a reason to have one, and I just found one. Saute and fry everything here. I'll just start with this first. Get it nice and caramelized. I love peppers and onions. Smells awesome. After you get that in there, excuse me, forgot to take out the salt. Brush that a little bit. Put a little bit of salt in there. A little bit of pepper. You got that nice and caramelized, right? So now you take the meat, which is sealed, you just throw it in there. That looks great, doesn't it? Stay tossing it. And now this is what's gonna make the whole thing change. This right is gonna change the game. Let it simmer. Let it simmer in there. Let the juices caramelize with the onions and the peppers. Make sure you cover the meat with all those juices. So you keep all the vegetables in there. Make sure they all get all that meat in there. Catch all that flavor. Have everything get coated. That's what you want, everything to get coated. Make sure you keep the fire high. As long as you keep tossing the meat, and the stuff on the pan, it won't burn. It doesn't matter if you keep it high or low. Look at that. All those juices in there. We're not done yet though. Forgot about this? Gotta get some of that in there. This is what's gonna kill the whole thing right now. Put some of this in there. Look at those colors. Just looking at that can make your mouth water, right? Just keep it there for a little while. Get all that in there. Hey baby, how did that taste? How did that smell? You get there, let it simmer. Let the alcohol run down. Let the wine, let the sauce, everything comes together. So now what I'm gonna do is, I haven't cooked this in a while, right? But you gotta make sure that it's all cooked all the way through. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm actually gonna pull a piece out and see if it's cooked completely yet. So you don't want it to be red at all inside. You want it to be cooked, so it should be at least grayish. That means it's still juicy and it's good enough to eat. So check it out. See if it needs more time. It needs a lot more time. So let's leave it there. It'll be a while before it's done. If you want it to finish cooking faster, what you do is you keep taking the big pieces out. You cut them open. This one doesn't need that much. Don't be afraid to put it back in. That one's almost done. What you want it to do is to actually be juicy. You do not want it to be dry. Nobody really likes a dried pork. It's actually no good when it's dried. So I suggest you cut the pieces a little smaller so they can actually cook faster if you're in a hurry. But let me tell you guys something. This is a dish that if you have company over, they'll want your recipe ASAP. They'll tell everybody about this. Doesn't hurt. Well, it's almost done. Well, guys, I'll come back to you guys as soon as I get it all plated. Well, guys, here's the finished product. Carne frita with fresh herb salad with garnished with avocados and some tomatoes. A little bit of red wine to wash it down. My wife is hungry, so this is the whole dish that I made for the lunch. And thank you. Have a good one and bon appetit.